We also need to think ahead, which is why we propose a Katiklan-Boracay Bridge, not to replace what's already here, but to help support. With more visitors expected, we will need a better, more reliable systems to manage not just access and traffic, but also daily movements of goods, and as important, the waste, solid waste, basura. The island generates thousands of tons a day, and also sewages. As we all know how difficult it is to get that off the island quickly and safely. This bridge can help with that. At higit sa lahat, wala pong bankero or boatman na mawawalan ng trabaho. We know how important the boatmen are, not for the transport, but for the Boracay experience in general. They have been part of this story from very beginning, and they will continue to be. Under our proposal, we will work with them, train them, help them transition to driving a hybrid vehicles that will bring visitors across. This way, they keep their role in welcoming tourists, gain more stable job, and help lead the move toward cleaner and more sustainable transport. Like this airport, we see it a way to help Boracay thrive even more, protect what makes it special, while opening up new opportunity for the people. We call it home. To the provincial government of Aklan, the municipalities of Malay and Nabas, thank you for your continued support. And to the people of Aklan, thank you for your trust, your patience, and your belief that this day would come. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay. Thank you po.
Thank you, Chairman Ang.